Namo, city and other entrance questions and answer. Who emphasize the realization of truth, beauty, and godness as the aims of education and as answer idealists to which statements about truth is not correct according to the philosophy of pragmatism. Answer: it is eternal. 3. In whose methodology of teaching experimentation is the keynote of dash pragmatism. 4. The term of progressive education is related to dash answer pragmatism. 5. Who said no fixed aims of education and no values in advances dash answer progressive educator. 6. Which school of philosophy of education stresses the direct study of men and things through tours and travels dash answer social realism. 7. Which school believes all knowledge comes through the sense dash answer sense realism. 8. As Huxley pleaded for the introduction of a complete and thorough scientific culture into schools, he is claimed to be dash answer a realistic. 9. Religion is education was born out of dash answer a cleavage between the work of the school and the life of the world outside that occurred during the 9th century. 10. Which of the following is not criticized by religion in education dash answer organizing school in a way that is conducive to practical training in citizenship. 11. In the light of relevant past events, contemporary events and their understanding should fix a place in teaching of history who maintain this principle. Yes. Answer realist. 12. The most important things to keep in mind for a teacher according to the religion in education is the answer the value and significance of what is taught. 13. Which is not an aspect of mind according to the realistic theory of knowing. Answer behavior. 14. Who believes that objects have a reality independent of mental phenomena. Thus, realist. 15. Marxist educational philosophy is closer to the answer realism. 16. Which school of philosophy of education regrets dualism between cultural and vocational curriculum? And 17. According to which educational philosophy social useful labor must form the central priority of the entire schools and the answer Marx